Cedarhurst Water damage restoration providers call 24 hours a day. Flood damage is among the most damaging forces that may invade your property, producing thousands of dollars in destruction. If your house or office has suffered this type of damage, you will need professional water restoration as soon as possible. Our goal is to restore your water-damaged or flood-damaged property as fast and efficiently as you can. Cedarhurst Water Damage and Mold Service provided by Tri-County Carpet Cleaning. Call 516-665-4026 or click the link below.